Today we'll show you how to send files like image, like document, like files, like folders. You can send anything from Gmail to other mails. Okay, just follow the steps and don't forget like and subscribe. Okay, first now open your desktop and here we have a folder. Have a folder like this. This is a test. Okay, now go here, click with the right and go to this and click here the winner. Okay, and click like add to folder parar. Click and now we have this is a folder parar. Okay, just now go to your Gmail to send and click to this to new message and here put your mail. Okay guys, what you want. Okay, so here put your object. Okay, folder test, this is the name of object. Okay, now we need, now go to here to this and go to this and click to your folder. Okay guys, click and wait it. So now finally like send. Okay, now it's sending. Okay guys, just now go to other mails and refresh. It's nothing show, just click here and refresh your page. And finally we have now a folder, the test, and you can download it and here, and finally we have a folder and sending the folder. Just don't forget like and subscribe and thank you for watching.